Please be sure to subscribe and please click that like button. This is Empire Crypto TV. We are looking at the DXY, the dollar index. Actually, we are just looking at the performance of the actual currency, which is the dollar, the biggest currency in the world, or the most used or most traded currency in the world, if people may say. And before I go and do the price action, which is the main point for this presentation, we are doing a technical and a fundamental analysis of the market regarding the DXY, or the dollar index, right here. But there were news that came out. Fundamentally speaking, first I want to look into that. Dollar climbs as traders wait for Powell's testimony. OC sleeps, and this happened today on the 7th of March, but it remains to be seen how it will affect the market. We'll just analyze that. And Singapore, London, the US dollar climbed on Tuesday ahead of testimony before Congress by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, and gaining most dramatically against the OC after the Reserve Bank of Australia hinted the end is near to its monetary tightening. So it has went strong against the dollar. So the currencies like the Australian dollar has lost strength severely against the US dollar. Currently, as we speak, as we hear, the the Reserve Bank in Australia has ended its monetary tightening, and now people's confidence have now gained in terms of the Australian dollar. But now the monetary tightening in terms of the dollar, it seems still intact, and by Jerome Powell, and they are still pushing more monetary tightening on the dollar side of things. On the contrary, but looking at the dollar on the other market, this is the euro versus the US dollar. So the dollar in general, for now, it has been gaining a lot of strength, not only against the Australian dollar, as we have read, but also major currencies, euro as well. But I just want to look at the DXY itself. DXY meaning the dollar index, dominated as DXY on your TradingView platform. Please be sure to check that out. Don't be confused. If you're someone who's still new in the platforms like TradingView, you will have DXY as the representative for the dollar index. Some people don't know that. They might expect it to be dollar index, but actually it's DXY denominated. And of course, looking at the dollar index 1 hour chart, okay, it looks going down, but I want to go to a 1 week chart on an overall supply of the dollar. Let me see. Okay, it looks quite decent, and it's still stuck on 104. It's been days since it's been stuck on 104, the dollar index. But let us see how it's holding up against other crypto assets such as Bitcoin. Wow, okay. As you can see, the Bitcoin also at 22,000 is still holding up strong. So the dollar is quite strong for now. Okay, it's quite strong for now. The monetary tightening situation might make it even more stronger. I do suspect that in the later days of this month of March, when Jerome Powell delivers another Federal Reserve Bank meeting, he might raise interest rates, and that's around about the 15th or the 16th. And once those interest rates are going to be risen up, whether by 0.75, 0.25, 0.50, 0.50 and up, obviously, it's most definitely a bullish for the dollar. But 0.25 below, it won't do so much of a bullish trend for the dollar. It might stay at 104, currently speaking. Okay, this has been a dollar index analysis. This has been a technical way of looking at it. And let us look at other shorter time frames like the 15-minute chart. Okay, you'll have to be able to use these charts sometimes when you get into them. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart for the dollar index. Currently, how is it doing today? Even though the speech has been delivered already, but you can see that, okay, the strengthening of the dollar just a little bit after it had a huge knockout, and it's starting to have some massive growth, but this is in a shorter time frame, 15-minute chart on TradingView. Okay, thank you very much for watching the show. I hope you find it informative. DXY dollar index, price action, technical and fundamental analysis. I hope you find it helpful. Until next time, be sure to subscribe and please click that like button. Empire Crypto TV. Until next time.